Graph of an example of a function that satisfies all of the given conditions. So we got limit of the function negative infinity when x approaches to 3. That means when function approaches to positive infinity or negative infinity, when x approaches to some number, that's a vertical asymptote. Okay, x equals 3, and we can graph that. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3. So we have a vertical asymptote. Yeah, the limit could be from one side only as well, but it's from both sides, and the function is going to negative infinity. So when x approaches to 3 from either side, the function goes to negative infinity. So I don't know what happens here, but I know eventually like this. I don't know here, okay? I'll fill that later. So that is done. Next, when x goes to infinity, the function approaches to 2. That means horizontal asymptote. So on the positive side, okay, function 2. So 1, 2. On the right side, the function is approaching to 2. So it could be coming from the top or coming from the bottom. I don't know yet. Maybe it should be, we'll join this, okay? If there is no more information here, then this is not the case. I mean, that's, we won't have this case, and we need to join this. We'll see. But it could be from the top or from the bottom, okay? So we'll do this. So we'll figure out which one. Third, here is function is approaching to 0 when x approaches to negative infinity, another horizontal asymptote. So on the left, function is going to 0. 0 means just x-axis. Again, the function could be coming from the top or the bottom, not both. Okay, only one of them. I don't know which one will be correct, so we'll figure out. Now we have x going to 0 from right and x going to 0 from left. So pretty much the function goes to infinity or negative infinity when x approaches to 0 from either side. So we have a vertical asymptote, not horizontal. Vertical asymptote x equals 0. So pretty much y-axis. So that's another vertical asymptote. And when x approaches to 0 from right side, so from right side, okay, the function approaches to positive infinity. So it's gonna go here. So we'll connect here, okay, in a moment. From here, the function goes to negative infinity when x approaches to 0 from left side. So when x approaches to 0 from left side, the function goes to negative infinity. So here. So now, I don't know what happens here, but here it is gonna go to negative infinity. So, okay, now we are done. So let's try to figure out this here, because we need to connect the graph. Okay, we need to connect the graph. And we cannot have from the top and bottom at the same time. So we don't have anything, and we are here and we are here, so we need to connect this. So this is not the case. So this is not the case because we cannot go up, we have to come down. So this one you can just make a smooth curve. Okay, that's one done. And here, if you see, it's going up to infinity and it's going down. So somehow we need to connect this. So this will be, okay, not good. So let me try one more time. Okay, and it's okay to intersect horizontal axis, horizontal asymptote. Okay, now this is good, and here we need to choose one of them, and as we see this, so this is not gonna happen, the top part, so the bottom part, let me make it nicer so that I can connect here. So I need to connect this. Okay, now if we go back and check all of these 5 conditions, they will be matched, and this is one of many correct answers. I mean, this will be about the shape. This could be a little bit different, but you can check all these conditions and all of them will be satisfied. Final.